You ever have one of those days where nothing seems to go the way you want it to? Well, for me, that's today. Originally, the plan was to go to Magic Kingdom today because I wanted to see all the new updates going on over there and the snacks and things like that. But then I saw the line to get in on a Monday. So we're gonna skip Magic for now. We're gonna go back. I want to go back really soon, but not today. So instead, I'm back at EPCOT. It's the last day of International Festival of the Arts, and I've been getting a lot of comments about my less than stellar review of Regal Eagle. So we're gonna try it again. There's a lot more things to try out, a lot more food items to hit up. We're gonna try it again. And would you look at that? The red is starting to bloom. Heh, I knew it. Oh, we have a new booth alert. Well, kind of new. This was here during Food and Wine, but this is going to be called Taste Track. We don't know what's going to be in it yet, but and thanks to my lovely wife Kristen, she reminded me that yes, this mouse gear entrance was here the last time we went. I literally walked through it and don't remember. But you know me, I love space. So let's go ride Mission Space. Seriously, a 10 and 15 minute wait for green and orange. This is awesome. Yeah, just kidding, I'm doing orange. I love this little nod to Horizons. I just got dripped on. Oh, look what's going to be happening in 10 years. First family in space in 2030.
We strongly encourage you to
check out Sunspot. He's like, oh no. So much fun. I love it. I haven't done the orange in a while. I've actually only been doing the green because of my oldest and just because I probably just ate beforehand, so I was okay with doing the green. But oh, the orange, man. Oh, just how it pins you into the seat. I mean, yeah. The screens felt a little off. I noticed more this time than usual the dizziness, the spinning, which was interesting because it usually isn't like that. But all in all, definite win. I love it. All right, it's almost 11 o'clock. Let's head over to World Showcase. All right, Germany, you get one more chance at this. Honestly, how is it possible that they don't have paprika chips? I mean, that's like a staple in the German Pavilion. All right. Maybe they're back. Maybe it was just a fluke. We'll see. I got a sick wife at home. I need chips. Oh for 2. Well, such is life. On to America. Round 2 of barbecue will be better. It'll make me feel better. Barbecue is supposed to be like my thing, makes me feel happy. Oh, and the pit's going. Oh, and it smells. You can just, oh. Okay, I'm ready. And we're early again. I'm like an early bird to everything today. Oh, and the last time I was here, I didn't really show you guys the menu for the drinks they have here at the outside bar. So there's a couple specialty cocktails that they have, and they have a nice selection of beers and wines on tap as well. And here's the line, now that it's open. Yeah, I'd say this place is popular. And there's a better shot of the first menu. And there's the second menu showing the kids' meals and the different drink options. Okay, round two, attempt number 2. We tried some different things this time. This time we did the mac and cheese. We got the fries again, of course, and we got the onion rings. And for our meats, we chose the half chicken, the ribs, and the pulled pork again, because I want to try this one again. And because I'm a sauce hog, I had to get the mustard sauce again, the brisket sauce, and I definitely got 2 of the vinegar sauce, because they are my absolute favorite. And look at this seasoning on the fries. I don't know what kind of seasoning it is, but it's some kind of like barbecue spice rub that you would usually get on like ribs or something like that. I gotta try and decode what's in it. And the mac and cheese is really nice and cheesy. And they got this breadcrumb on here with a little like I don't know if that's chive or if that's some kind of maybe parsley of some sort, but it's very good. And the cheese itself is like a white cheddar, very sharp, very nice flavor. And one thing I love about the ribs, they don't need any sauce. That's the sign of a good barbecue. You don't need sauce on it. The smoke is fantastic. Nice pink ring around everything. Yeah, I like this a lot. This is a definite game changer and has started to change my opinion from last time. Thank you. Yeah, did you see that? That's the line to get in. They've been open for a half an hour or so, and there's people having to stand outside and wait to get in because it's that popular right now. That was much, much better. Now I'm actually reconsidering my first opinion of Regal Eagle, and I think I will definitely go back there again. And you know what did it for me? The ribs. Those were fantastic. Now again, I can get barbecue anywhere, I've said, but that was quick service, well, moderate quick service ribs. You can't get that anywhere else. And I'll tell you what, compared to other ribs I've had, those were really good. Oh, is it my dance harp guy again? It's Dance Harp Guy. We gotta do it. Let's go see him. Oh my god, thank you. That's awesome. They came out with a sign. I love it. He's fantastic. I'm gonna miss him. He's been like one of those great things about Festival of the Arts that has been a nice breath of fresh air for this event. I mean, he's fantastic. I hope we see him somewhere around the parks very soon. I don't want to wait another year to see him. That is officially my favorite slogan. So that's gonna do it for me here for the second round of Regal Eagle. Definitely better than the first time. Definitely repeatable now that I know what to get. And I can tell everybody that if you don't get the mac and cheese, and the ribs and the fries, you're missing out. 100% missing out. Those are the best things on the menu in my opinion. Definitely repeatable. So sometime soon in the future, we will be back there. But for now, we got a lot more in store this year. We got a lot more on the way. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Why are you watching and you're not subscribed? We got a ton of stuff on the way this year. We're just getting started. Till then, thanks again so much for watching. Don't forget to be a pal. We'll see ya. Bye.